Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, students are asking the doubt that sir, we have allotted seat in CCMT and now what we have to do. Okay, you have allotted the seat and you have freezed that seat. So this video is for only those students who have freezed their seat and now sir, what to do next. So this is the detailed schedule, I can say, or updated on 9/7/2021 tentative schedule of CCMT 2021 regular rounds. So what you have to do here, you can see publication of seat 1 आपको ये हो गया है, उसके बाद payment of seat acceptance, then document verification, then resolution of any online document verification or willingness of withdrawal, then second round, and after same steps third round, and after third round, that is the last regular round, then there is a point, that is 17th number point, that online admission to the participating institute reporting. Here you can see, so online admission in the finally allotted institute by the depositing the balancing fee online by the candidate, all rounds willingness for participating in special round and relevant affidavit annexure 5 of information brochure uploading. Now what is the meaning of 17th number point? That from 25th of July Sunday to 30th of July Friday, you have to go to that institute in which you have allotted the seat, that is participating institute reporting. PI means participating institute. So if you have allotted, suppose you have allotted the seat here, okay, in on 5th July, and you have finally submitted your willingness, that is I have freezed, so the seat, then you have to wait for 25th to 30th July for in that time being you have to ready your documents, whatever the documents required given in information brochure, and I have already uploaded a video regarding that. Okay, and if you want to participate in the I can say next round, that is special round, then you have to give a special affidavit. I can say that affidavit is given in annexure number 5 of information brochure. Okay, so I can show you also that annexure number 5 if you want to see. Yes, here you can see format for affidavit regarding participation in the special round. Okay, so here you can see that I dash 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 ये आपको fill करना है सारा, that I have opted to go for special round CCMT 2021 for the admission into this institutes. I shall be bound by the rules of CCMT 2021. That I understand that if I do not register or pay special round participation fees during the time period given by the CCMT website, my current allotted seat in CCMT regular round will be cancelled and I will not be considered for special round. Okay, and this will be treated as auto withdrawal from the counseling process. That what is the meaning? That you have allotted the seat and you have also basically physically report to that institute, but you want to participate in special round also, then you have to give a affidavit. Now after giving affidavit, you basically feel that whatever the institute you got in regular round is good, okay, you don't want, then in that case your seat will be cancelled. Okay, your seat will be cancelled, so you have to compulsorily participate in that special round. Okay, but if you don't get any seat in special round, then that seat will be retained, but if you get anything in special round, then that seat will be gone automatically. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much friends, and if you want any video on any doubt regarding CCMT, then please mention in the comment section. Thank you very much.